In this question, there is one principle. In an action for the tort of malicious prosecution, the plaintiff must establish four essential conditions. And the four essential conditions provided are as follows. Condition 1. The first condition is that the plaintiff was prosecuted by the defendant. Prosecution is said to occur when the defendant sets on motion the law by making an application to a person clothed with judicial authority. The second condition is that the prosecution should be terminated in favor of the plaintiff if it is so capable to be terminated or the plaintiff is exonerated of any charge. The third condition is that there must be an absence of reasonable and probable cause. A reasonable and probable is an honest belief in the guilt of the accused founded on reasonable grounds. The fourth condition states that the existence of malicious intent on the part of the defendant. Fourth condition is the existence of malicious intention on the part of the defendant. Malicious intent is said to exist if the prosecution is instituted with a wish to injure the party rather than to vindicate law and justice. The fact stated here is that Amar and Rohan were studying at Xavier Law School. Amar was 2 years senior to Rohan and was amongst the meritorious students of his batch. They both enjoyed the company of a common friend named Geeta, but Geeta always preferred to spend time with Amar. Once Amar asked Rohan to complete his class notes, failing which he would have to wash his clothes for a month. Rohan refused to give in to the ragging and lodged a complaint against Amar in the office of the principal for harassing him and Geeta. The matter was escalated and the police also visited the campus to get the details about the ragging incident. After detailed investigation, the principal exonerated Amar from the charge of harassing Geeta but issued a warning regarding the ragging incident. Amar filed a suit against Rohan for malicious prosecution. Now decide whether Rohan had malicious intent to lodge the complaint. And from amongst the four given options, the correct option is D. Yes, Rohan had the malicious intent to make complaint regarding harassment of Geeta. Now the reason that this is the correct option is that although Rohan had the bona fide reason to file a complaint for ragging, he also had malicious intent for making a complaint regarding harassment of Geeta. Now applying the principle and the four conditions to the facts, we come to the conclusion that D is the only correct option to this question.